The Cruise Traveller. There was ance a chiel wha travelled weel. He journeyed far and a' around. Cruisely would he wi' braggarts lee, tell of fabled deeds he'd done in ilk distant town. Whilst o'er the sea and far off roads, said he, sic a distance I did loup richt merrily. Naebody on roads could loup as far, to the folk o' roads it was a fairly. Mony's a name that I could name frae roads would be my witness, how I'm a super long jump champ, and to my general fitness. The listener to the braggart's tale said, Haud on noo, bide a wee, nae doot what ye say is true, so ye can loup here for us to see. Nae need for ony Greek testimony, afore my brain implodes. Just loup ye here for us, ye can ken on your still in roads.